Sundays in my house is not a day off, it's a reset day. And there's a difference. You always ask, Yashika, you're always doing something. When do you rest? Actually, Saturdays are my rest day, my Sabbath day, where I will rest. If I'm not going to church, I'll just chill, watch some online service, and that's my actual rest day. A reset day, actually, on a Sunday means I do everything, which makes next week feels a bit lighter. I always start with my space because I can't cook in chaos and I can't think in chaos either. As a woman over 40, your environment affects your energy more than you even realize. So we clean first, we reset the space before we reset ourselves. And then we get into the kitchen. And you don't know, Sunday in a Jamaican home has a smell. If you know, you know. Oxtail simmering on low, rice and peas coming together. This is not just cooking, this is therapy. This is how I decompress, how I think, how I pour back into myself after a full week of pouring into everyone else. I've been a nurse for over 20 years. I've spent my entire career caring for people in their hardest moments. And for a long time, I didn't understand why I was so exhausted. It's because I had no reset, no rituals, no Sundays. Once I built this into my life, everything changed. My mood, my clarity, my energy going into the new week. And this is what soft life actually looks like for me. It's not always a spa day or a vacation. Sometimes it's a clean house, a pot of oxtail, and the satisfaction of knowing you set yourself up right. That's enough. If nobody has told you today, you deserve a reset too. Did you enjoy the cooking today?